Area Santa Maria. Santa Maria is one of the most beautiful municipality here in Pangasinan. Santa Maria, we call it one town, one product of Mushroom Festival. Area Santa Maria, welcome to our municipality of Santa Maria. And let's go to our municipality health center. The cleanest, and we have a good doctor, nurse of our municipality health center. Known for being the cleanest in all the town. Let's go to our Church of Santa Maria, one of the biggest church in the whole Pangasinan. Our Church of Our Lady of the Pillar Parish, our church commemorates 120 years and recognize our church with the most beautiful decorations because of our used decorations are the vegetable, because that we also help of people of Santa Maria, because after we use it as a decoration, we give it as the community pantry so that we can help our co-Santa Marias. From the small things, from the vegetable, from the egg, from the water, from the rice, and for the everything. It's from small things to biggest things. And let's see the most eye-catching school in our town, our mother school. It is in front of our municipality. We have a good teacher, a smart teacher in our mother school. And let's go and visit the most highest and biggest sculpture of Our Lady of the Pillar Parish. You can see it before you entering the town of Santa Maria. On inside, we have the minimal bazaar, or let's call it mini bazaar. Was built full visit every morning and afternoon and evening. We have a delicious food and a good lighting. And we want to say thank you to our mayor and mayora and to all Ramos family. And you can also see here the longest bridge in Pangasinan. Below, it is our tourism spot. We call it Eco Tourism Park. When you enter, it's very exciting and relaxing because of the tall trees, nice atmosphere, and minimally clean and fully fashionable. For my advocate, I want to encourage all of our school youth to go back and continue their dreams, because we all know that the education is a success in life. I am Christian Mark Javierto, represent the municipality of Santa Maria, and I thank you.